Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word dead as a doornail in depth. First, the definition. Dead as a doornail means completely dead or lifeless. Think of it simply as something that has no life at all, like a withered plant or a silent clock. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Dead as a doornail traces back to at least the 14th century and appears in Shakespeare's works. Over time, it's been used by English speakers to vividly describe total lifelessness. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use dead as a doornail in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. After the storm, the tree in the backyard looked dead as a doornail. Correct example 2. My old phone is dead as a doornail and won't turn on anymore. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to dead as a doornail my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference. Using dead as a doornail correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Dead as a doornail means completely dead or lifeless. It comes from a phrase dating back to the 14th century in Shakespeare, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with dead as a doornail down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.